Plate tectonics. What are they? In a short description, the theory of plate tectonics is the theory that Earth's crust, its top layer, is broken up into several pieces. These are called the plates. These plates are floating on top of the mantle, which means they are constantly moving around. They only move at a speed of about 2 to 20 centimeters a year, which on our time scale is very slow. However, on a geological time scale is pretty fast. They are constantly crashing into each other, moving apart, and sliding past each other. Plates are classified in two different ways. Firstly, by what they have on top of them, and secondly, by what kind of boundary they form. First of all, there is only two things that a plate can have on top of it: continent and ocean. So there are oceanic plates and continental plates. The boundaries are a little more complicated. There are three types of boundaries: convergent boundaries, where two plates are sliding right into each other; divergent boundaries, where the plates are moving apart from each other; and transform boundaries, where the plates are sliding past each other horizontally. There are multiple different geological formations that go with each of these. For convergent boundaries, when two continental plates crash into each other, they form mountain chains, like the Himalayas, for example. When an oceanic and a continental plates converge, they can form deep sea trenches right off coasts, and they can form stratovolcano chains. Divergent boundaries are responsible for 1. Mid-ocean ridges, and 2. The creation of new crust. Magma from the mantle comes up to the surface through the area that is being split apart and cools at the surface and then continues to move away. Transform boundaries are responsible mainly for earthquakes and have no real geological formation that goes with them, other than taking one part of rock and sliding it all the way to the other. This has created places where, like streams that are split into two parts and that follow a straight line path to find their way back to their own stream.